Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to change the shareable link of the video that you just recorded right within the Screencastify application. So once you're done recording your video, I highly recommend that you rename your video so that you can identify with it. And then over here on the right side, you'll see some options on how you can share it. There's an option here for Google Drive. Remember, all of your videos get saved directly into a folder in your Google Drive. You can change the sharing permissions of that video right from within this application. What I want to show you first is I want to click on more options so that it expands the area here. So what I want to do is click copy shareable link, and it's going to enable that video to be shared. Now the default here is unlisted. So if you wanted to share it with students and keep it unlisted, meaning that only people that have this link can access the video, you can leave it as unlisted. Or if you wanted to, you can change it to private, meaning that you are the only one that can access the video. Or you can change it to public, meaning anyone can find and view the video. So if you have elementary students, and you're not sharing the videos on YouTube, you can keep them all in your Google Drive and share them via the link and keep it unlisted. So again, copy the shareable link, and then you can take that link and you can put it in Google Classroom, or you can put it into a hyperslide or a hyperdoc anywhere you need to. I hope you found this screencast helpful.